Time for Showbiz Awesomeness. This is where we name the most awesome moment of the day. And tonight, this is the man of the moment, Damon Patterson, a.k.a. Dame Drops. So this guy reviews fast food on his YouTube channel, but Dame is not your ordinary food critic. Oh, no. Dame takes his love of food to a whole new level, and he's so popular that the famous Gregory Brothers, you know, the guys who auto-tune just about everything, just made a remix of Dame. That's already gotten more than 500,000 hits. But I want you to see Dame unadulterated. So watch.
Oh, and it smells good. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling, you too. Oh, boy. All right, listen, let me get up in here. Let me dig. I gotta dig past the fries. No, I'm not even digging past the fries. Let me light one of these joints on fire. You too. Dig that fry right there. Peep game on the fry.
Get this, there are brand new reports that the Travel Channel just gave Damon Patterson his own show on the network. No big surprise. He'll be going to landmark fast food joints doing what he does so well.